The Western Ghats in Maharashtra are some of the most dramatic and overlooked landscapes in the world. We only know a tiny proportion about the complexity of the natural world. Wherever you look, there are still things we don't know about and don't understand. We are looking at one such wonder, Bhairavgad, a fort built on a dike towering 400 feet tall, 400 feet long, and only 100 feet wide at its widest. Dikes are rock structures that are propagated by fracturing the surrounding rock and opening a path along the direction of minimum tectonic stress, driving molten magma upwards, thereby creating formations like this one. There are always new things to find out if you go looking for them, much like these intrepid hikers traversing the edge of the plateau towards the dike. Very soon the landscape changes, becomes almost vertical. The Satvahanas, who controlled this land in the 1st century CE, carved these steps. It is evident that some of these were badly damaged in battles unknown.
वाय मध्ये
Watch this hiker placing his hands gingerly to hold onto the surface of the rock. One misstep could mean ending the expedition right here. Give and take, that is the essence of what balance is all about.
What?
Further, we see the female hiker with no apparent foothold. She must use all the might of her forearms to hoist herself atop the precipice. Alas, our group has arrived at the top.
We'll find out.
Space is a scarcity here, and a single misstep can mean certain death. Beyond this is the Deccan Plateau. Towards us, a vast panorama of ridges dropping precipitously down to the Konkan Plains. As a species, we are expert problem solvers, but we haven't yet applied ourselves to the problems of the planet with the focus it requires. An understanding of the natural world and what's in it is a source of not only a great curiosity, but great fulfillment.
A bit tricky.
The group descends using the very ropes they used as a guide to ascend. The ingenuity shown by humans, especially those who built Bhairavgad, and the ones who attacked it, lead me to believe that we humans, alone on Earth, are powerful enough to create worlds and then destroy them. It seems to me that an understanding of the natural world is crucial for all of us. After all, we depend upon it for our food, for the air we breathe, and some would say for our very sanity.